good. Welcome. We are EatForBeautyDC. I'm Saskia.
I'm Melan. And I'm Kaylah.
And today we're going to be making a raw vegan breakfast with a CSA that we received from 3 Part Harmony Farm.
Cool. 3 Part Harmony Farm is a Black woman-owned farm and cooperative located in Brooklyn, Northeast, DC. And pretty much we've been wanting to work with them for a while. We really support what they're doing. They have a CSA, which is Community Supported Agriculture. And it's pretty much a bridge between the community and the farmer, and it's a way for them to be more involved in where the food is coming from. Okay, so you had their CSA before. What are your thoughts on their produce and whatnot?
I had their CSA this year, and I was scoping it out for like an entire year before I bought into it. It was really a treat to me every Tuesday to go, and it was just so much chi and so much life force, very vibrant. They had herbs, greens, roots, and then they also had things outsourced from other women farmers and farmers of color. It was very much a part of my food security journey.
Cool.
To be a part of the CSA, and definitely worthwhile the investment. It's so like every flavor, every cell, and every cell of all the plants, you could just really taste it. It was picked that morning. Dude, look how vibrant. It was a subtle stunt. Like, this food is so vibrant, and then the taste is so vibrant. I'm like, okay, I'm really on an eco bougie wave right now.
So yeah, we've been wanting to work with 3 Part Harmony Farm for a while, so we're really excited to have this CSA today, and excited to make a raw vegan breakfast. So yeah.
So we're going to start off with making the savory crepes. We've split this into 3 different jobs. I'm going to be making the cheese. Melan's going to be preparing the veggie medley, and then Kaylah's going to be working on the bacon. For me to make the cheese, I first have to de-shell the almonds. These have been soaking. We suggest 6 hours minimum or overnight. So you could just throw them in a mason jar, throw them in some water, and put them in the fridge and let them soak overnight. So this is pretty much, it's really, really simple, and they come right off. Just get rid of the skin. So I'm actually gonna be getting ready to do the cheese. So I have about a cup of almonds that have been soaking overnight, and I've removed the shells. And then I'm going to add a little bit of nutritional yeast. This is going to add a nice cheese flavor, so I'm going to put that right in. Some Psyllium Husk. This is a really good binder and thickening agent, as well as it has fiber in it. Also, I like to put a little bit of salt, but it's to taste, so if you want it a little less salty, you can put a little less. Some lime juice, and then our featured item right now. So I have some garlic. This is from 3 Part Harmony. This is from our CSA. So I like to break it. This is the best way really to break it. So you can just take a pot, bang it like that. That's gonna break it open and release it. Then I do the same thing with the knife, like that. So then that's how it would look, and you put that in the fridge. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to peel the skin just once, not the entire eggplant full around, and I'm going to just start making slices. It's okay if the peel is like on the sides, but if it's on the front, then it's going to get too hard. This peel is kind of rough. So I'm gonna start making these slices with the potato peeler. You are making eggplant taste like bacon. So how is that even
really
possible? Like,
Liquid
how?
smoke make the girls go wild. I always say that. No, liquid smoke is
that's the key
secret.
ingredient.
It's the key ingredient.
It's like a combination. Once you put like the liquid smoke, the sugar, and the
salt.
other spices, like the smoked paprika, it creates this bacon flavor somehow.
Okay.
It really does. And really, I do feel like it has to be dehydrated because eggplant is very acidic, and that translates itself in being bitter. It's really bitter, and so it has to marinate itself for a while. I like marinating for at least 30 minutes. It comes out really good. It comes out, listen, I grew up on bacon, eggs, and cheese, and I'm telling y'all, it really tastes really, really, really good.
You know what's funny? I feel as though one time when I was in culinary school, Kayla, I feel like I was like, yeah, so can I eat eggplant raw? And like I did it. And by the end of my class, it was like a little snack in the class, my mouth was burning because it's so acidic. It's so acidic. So I feel like it's one of those vegetables that I think is best dehydrated or extremely marinated.
The only time I had it raw was just in like a ratatouille, but you have to really marinate it. And even still, I feel like if it was slightly dehydrated, that would help. So I agree.
So this is a full bowl of thinly sliced eggplant, and I have smoked paprika here. I'm gonna put 1 to 2 tablespoons of it. I'm gonna start with my dry. This is about a tablespoon. And y'all, this is the secret ingredient to a lot of the dishes is Ethiopian seasoning berbere. The Ethiopians have really figured it out. And so I really love this stuff. It's really delicious. And so 1 tablespoon of each. And then coconut sugar has really been, I'm really sensitive like blood sugar wise. And coconut sugar, I find that I can eat more of it without having the effects of high blood sugar. Right, so I'm going to put sufficient olive oil here. It's about 4 to 5 tablespoons. And then this is the secret weapon. It calls for 2 tablespoons of liquid smoke. And 4 tablespoons of Braggs. Okay, so when these dehydrate, everything that dehydrates gets thinner. So you just want to give it space to get nice and crispy like bacon.
So I'm making this veggie medley. It's pretty simple, just lightly chopping. You could also like shred them. So now we are on the sweet crepe. We got the blueberries, some of the lemon verbena, as well as the donut peaches. And really we're just chopping this to get it blended in the Vitamix.
Can't wait to try it.
We're just gonna
Right in the middle.
It's really pretty. Kind of has like a translucent-ish look to it. We have this little veggie medley, and Saskia chopped the basil really fancy way. I don't know what that's called.
It's called a chiffonade.
Chiffonade, yeah. And I feel like you should do the honors.
I'm rolling it.
Yeah.
let's just roll it and see how it goes, right? It rolls so perfectly.
So we just finished making both the sweet and savory raw vegan crepes. This is a great raw vegan breakfast that you can experiment with, and just want to say thank you to 3 Part Harmony Farm for giving us the CSA box.
Thank
you.
you.
Thank you so much.
Delicious. Thoughts? I'm enjoying it.
Ryan Little.